It's one of the most important skills kids need to know for their future, but many schools don't teach it. Now, that will soon change when California requires a semester of financial literacy in order to graduate high school. NBC7's Nicole Gomez shows us how some local students, though, got a head start at Intuit's San Diego campus.
Well, it's field trip day here at Intuit's campus, and students will actually walk away with some real-world money tips that they can use after graduation. About 150 students from San Diego Unified, Poway, Grossmont, and San Dieguito Union participated in the 2.5-hour workshop. Intuit's Financial Literacy Forum aims to bring complex money concepts to life via interactive tools and scenarios. The experience features game-style financial challenges and shows students how to navigate the real world, from maximizing tax refunds with TurboTax to managing credit with Credit Karma. It comes as California will require a semester of personal finance for all high schoolers starting in the 2027-28 school year.
Over 80% of adults actually indicate they wish they would have had a personal finance course while they were in high school, and the same percentage really applies for recent high school graduates. You never have a class like personal finance that kids walk away saying, geez, did I really learn anything that's going to be applicable for me in life?
Well, Intuit also has a curriculum that just received UC approval as more schools look to implement this sort of education. Reporting from Torrey Highlands, Nicole Gomez, NBC7.